you go. Good job.
Perfect.
You
Ta-da!
did it.
It's-
Go all the way around. Okay. We have one for you too.
Sweet.
Say, come on over, right over.
You know,
Alright,
it's
all the
awesome
way
when
around.
even the cameraman gets to participate.
All right, keep going. Oh, look at mommy. Mommy did all around hers.
You gotta do the whole thing.
Don't give up so easily. I know it can be a little hard and it's messy, but it's okay. See, and then when mommy's done, I'll put mine right here. Here, mommy, hold it while you paint it. Want to use a spoon? Like this? Look. You gotta-
Your fingers? You wanna use your fingers?
Like this? Look. Look. There you go. Yeah, there you go. I'll hold it. You paint it. It's for the birdies. Don't worry about it. You're supposed to get messy. Put it on here for the birdies. Look at mommy's about to start hers. Then I'm going to take this and put it in a bird seed and I'm going to roll it. Watch this. Look at, see? I'm rolling it. Oh, and the birds are going to be so happy. Look. There's my bird feeder. And then we'll
Ta-da.
let it dry off and then we can hang it up outside. Like this. And the birdies will come and they'll eat the food.
Wait, that one's mine.
Yes,
Yes.
Yes.
That one's, I gotta do that one.
Okay.
You're doing that one. Over there.
So paint it with your fingers.
Hurry up.
Look. Come on, let's get messy. It's fun.
Look.
It's for the birdies. The birdies love you. They whistle.
She gets so freaked out about getting dirty. Come on, you gotta get messy.
Come on.
Do it.
Put it on there. Say here, birdies.
There you go.
See? Rub it on.
Smear it on.
There you
Rub
go.
it.
Here,
So it'll
some more.
stick to the bird feet.
She's got it.
Alright, she's doing it.
Good.
You're doing it. It needs more.
Rub it.
You gotta fix it.
Look, and then
With
right
2
here.
fingers. You see how mommy's doing it?
Look, grab your
Look.
fingers.
Look at the fingers.
Look.
Like that. All the way.
It's like OCD for her.
Fill in the blanks. You see how mommy's doing it? Look. Look. Pay attention.
We gotta
Yes.
look at it and make sure. It's all done.
Wait. That's it.
See?
Here. You do this. Mix them up.
And then roll it around. Ready? Roll it around.
Stop licking your fingers.
Here, look.
Just grab it and twist it. It's okay. You're gonna get dirty. Wait till you finish, then we'll clean your hands.
Touch it.
Wait till you finish and then we'll clean your hands. You gotta spin it. Come on. Hey. It's
wanna
not gonna
watch- you
it's
wanna
not
watch
gonna
me
burn
do it?
you.
You want to watch me do it? All right, stand up. Stand up so you can watch, okay? Are you ready?
She's gotta get over that.
I know. There you go.
Oh,
grab
there
it.
you go.
Turn it. Turn it. Turn it.
Come on. When you're finished, we'll clean your hands. Get
Oh,
messy.
the birdies are gonna be hungry. Come on. All right, then come up here and watch it at least. Come on. Come on. Look. Want to take it?
She really has to get over that phobia.
It'll come.
It's kind of a phobia. Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome.
It'll turn real bad later on.
I know. But if you force it upon her now, yeah. Here, and then grab it and turn it. Do it again. Shake it. Shake it. Let's see how it looks. Are you ready?
Yes.
Da, 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 da.
That's a nice one.
See? You did it.
I gotta do mine? Okay, here. Now you guys record me.
Okay. So, use this here for Daddy.
Okay, ready.
Let him.
It's already recording.
No.
Just
He's gonna come
I'm gonna
right
sit
there.
over there.
Yeah.
Alright, here. It's already recording. You don't have to do anything.
Ready?
I know you heard that outside.
Yeah, I do.
Oh, boy. Okay, ready? Look it. I'm gonna do one.
Okay.
But not with that one. I'm gonna use this, okay? Like this. You see? And then like this. Look it. Look. So I'm just gonna go like this. You see it? You see it?
Mhm.
Look.
Birds eat that. Yeah, that's their food.
It's bird food, so don't eat it. It's not for people. It's for birds. It'll hurt your tummy. You see it? Look, like this. You see what I'm doing? You see it?
This one. No, it's done.
Am I finished?
Yes.
Am I ready? Yeah? Okay, now I'm gonna put it in here. You see? And then I'm gonna turn it. Watch your hair, look back.
Ready?
Wait, almost.
You're done.
Almost. You see?
Wow.
You see me?
Now, how many bird feeders do we have? Let's count.
This is mine.
1,
This is
2,
This is mine.
3. How many numbers? 1. No. Count with me. 1. Look. 2, 3. We got 3 of them. All right. Now,
Let's see.
how long do you want those?
This one.
Seriously, you want like a nice enough?
That one.
Yeah, just to hang. Yeah.
Wait. So it's gonna be like about like that.
Ready?
Yep. So let's do this one first.
Ready?
Okay. Okay, like this. And then it's gonna go to about right here. About right there.
He's done.
And then for other ones, you can make them a little bit longer, just so that when they hang on a tree, they look different tiers. Like maybe.
I get it.
You ready?
These are going to be some lucky birds, huh?
This is rough. This is rough.
It is
So we gotta
rough.
adjust it. Okay, so now let me cut this with a nice little piece, just in case. Okay. there's
Awesome.
one. Okay.
Ready?
Then over here we have another one.
This is mine.
Yeah, that's the one you made. You know what? I'm gonna make your words adjustable right there. Okay. Oh, be careful.
That's good.
Right there.
Because we can adjust it using that.
I mean, I can always even add another piece to it. That's fine.
And then
Okay,
one more.
One more. Like this, it makes 3. Right? All right. Okay.
Ready? Okay.
All right.
Move my thing.
How cool. Now we get to hang them on a tree.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's go outside.